Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix runtime errors on your Windows. So if you encounter runtime errors, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. I'm just going to share a very simple resolution for this. In the Windows search bar, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. You have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here, simply type this command as subc space forward slash scan now. This is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations, then hit the enter key on your keyboard. Now this process will take some time depending on your Windows. There is no specific duration for this process, but while the process is going on, let's just wait for this so that we can input or enter the second command. Okay, so let's just wait for this in a while. Now, once completed, we need to type the second command. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So this process will also take some time, and while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize, and once the process has been completed, and just simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your window. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.